Hey everyone, it's Dr. John. I'm so excited to have you join me on this incredible journey. Today we're about to witness the breathtaking beauty of Lebanon like never before. This country is a true gem of the Middle East, where ancient history meets vibrant modern life, and every landscape tells a story. Get ready for epic drone shots, soaring over ancient ruins that have stood for thousands of years, diving into lush green valleys that stretch as far as the eye can see, and cruising along the stunning Mediterranean coastline, where turquoise waters meet dramatic cliffs and hidden coves. From the legendary Cedars of God, whose ancient trees have inspired poets and travelers for centuries, to the awe-inspiring Qadisha Grotto, a natural wonder carved deep into the mountains, filled with mysterious caves and sparkling underground rivers. These are Lebanon's must-see destinations. We'll explore iconic landmarks, vibrant cities, and hidden gems that make this country so unique. And stick around for a surprise location at the end. You won't want to miss it. Let's take off and discover the magic of Lebanon together. We're kicking things off at the legendary Baalbek ruins, a place where history feels alive beneath your feet and every stone tells a story. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Baalbek transports you straight back to the grandeur of the Roman Empire, immersing you in a world of ancient wonders and timeless beauty. From above, the sheer scale of the Temple of Bacchus and the Temple of Jupiter is absolutely jaw-dropping. These colossal structures stand as enduring testaments to the brilliance of ancient engineering, artistry, and the ambition of a civilization long gone. Next, we journey deep into Qadisha Grotto, a subterranean wonderland of massive caverns, stalactites and stalagmites formed over millions of years. Emerging from the cave, we're greeted by a lush valley, a stunning contrast to the world below. Now, we land in Byblos, a city where the Mediterranean breeze carries whispers of ancient civilizations and every stone tells a story. Byblos is one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities, a living testament to thousands of years of human history. Here, you'll find the remnants of Phoenician temples, the imposing walls of a Crusader castle, and a lively harbor where fishermen's boats bob beside ancient ruins, blending the echoes of the past with the energy of today's vibrant waterfront. The drone reveals bustling markets filled with colorful stalls where locals and visitors mingle, shop for handmade crafts, and savor the scents of fresh spices and baked bread. Cafes spill out onto cobblestone streets, offering a perfect spot to relax and soak in the view of timeless landmarks as the city's rich heritage and modern life come together in perfect harmony. Up in the mountains, the Cedars of God stand tall, symbols of Lebanon's strength and resilience. From above, the vast forest stretches across the slopes, a green tapestry you'll never forget. Next, we visit Rausch Rocks, Beirut's iconic sea arches rising from the Mediterranean. As the sun sets, these dramatic formations glow, showcasing the raw beauty of Lebanon's coastline. We ascend to Harissa, home to the statue of Our Lady of Lebanon, overlooking the city of Jounieh. The panoramic views from here offer a moment of peace and awe above the bustling coast. Our final stop is the Qadisha Valley, a UNESCO site where ancient monasteries cling to dramatic cliffs. These stone sanctuaries, nestled in the landscape, are a testament to Lebanon's enduring faith and history. That's Lebanon from above. Which spot was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and share your own Lebanon stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic travel adventures. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep exploring.